All right, hey guys, this will be like my first vlog style video, so hopefully it goes okay. I've never done nothing like this before, so we'll see. Well, I got a couple of errands to run today. So first, I just came from the FedEx office because I had to drop off a package. I'm about to run across the street to this HEB, and then I need to go to the post office, to Walmart. I need to go to Five Below, but it's 8:15 and they don't open to 10 a.m. and I'm not waiting till they open, so we might not go there. And then I gotta go home and get ready because I have to go to the hospital tomorrow for chemo, and I'll be there for 3 days. So right now I'm just running around getting stuff ready, making sure my son's set, making sure my boyfriend's set, making sure I'm set, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. Okay, so let's go. Now I'm in here to do some real grocery shopping. These were like my addiction when I was at the hospital last time. So I made sure I got some of those. All right guys, so we are done with Walmart. Now I'm about to go, while I was there, I got me some iced coffee, a caramel one, I think, yeah, from the Mexican. It was in there. And the crazy thing is, don't laugh at me, but I ride around with this in my car because sometimes the coffee is just too strong for me, so I have to add more of my own. So if I know I'm gonna get coffee, I'll buy Best Buy. I didn't plan on going there, but I kind of want to go in there and check out some cameras because I plan on buying a camera soon. I actually want to, I'm gonna buy my laptop first. I want to get me a Mac Air, so I'm gonna probably buy that first. But I want to just go and kind of shop around for some cameras. I'm not gonna be in there too long because I do have groceries in the car and I don't want them to melt, and I still have to go to the post office to melt off my lip scrubs. If you didn't know, I do sell lip scrubs, so I have a few I have to melt off before I go in the hospital tomorrow. And then I'm gonna go home and show you guys what I got from Walmart because I got more than I was supposed to get, but that's besides the point. So yeah, bye guys. This is the camera I want, but I hear it overheats really bad with video, but it's cute. Oh. Alright, I'm about to get ready to mail off my lip scrubs. This one is the, please excuse my nails, I know they look raggedy. This one is the vanilla lavender. So I'm about to get ready to mail off. I have 3 of them right now, new orders to mail off. So we're gonna do that here at the post office. I should have got this stuff ready before I went home, but it's all good. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys everything I got from Walmart. I mainly went to get stuff to make our dinner for tonight, have some leftovers, and then usually when I go in the hospital, I kind of just make a big pot of spaghetti, and my boyfriend will just eat on that all week until I get back home and cook food, because basically if I don't cook, he don't eat. So I gotta make sure he eats. And then I got some random other stuff, but that's besides the point. So first, today I really wanted like a English muffin, like breakfast sandwich. So it's because every time I buy the big thing of English muffins, I never eat them all. So I literally eat one out the pack and then they go bad. So I just bought these things. I used to eat these when I worked at the preschool. These are really good. They're English muffins made with whole grain, turkey sausage, egg white, and cheese. So these are pretty good. This looked cool. Excuse me. I got something to make fruit smoothies. I usually don't buy like packs like this because this little bitty thing was $5. So yeah, but it has mango, dragon fruit, acai, and passion fruit. It sounded really good, and it just says simply add water and blend. So I'm gonna try this out. Then I got some rice, some turkey sausage because we put that in our spaghetti. Then I got the meat for the spaghetti, I use ground. Sometimes I use ground turkey, but I just got ground sirloin this time. It's 90% lean and 10% fat, so that's not bad. I got some corn. I actually got these yeast rolls just to kind of bake up and have sitting around because my boyfriend and my son love bread, so, and I got it to go with the spaghetti. And I've always wanted to try these things, so I got 2 of them. It's some Aussie cultured, the No Stuff Finest yogurt. I got strawberry and blueberry, so I'm gonna try those out. I got Danimals clearly for my son because he loves these things. He loves yogurt, so, but that's his new jam. Got him some chicken nuggets because he ran out. And then I got the tomato paste and sauce because I make my spaghetti sauce, I guess you would say, from scratch. I don't buy the canned spaghetti sauce. And like I was telling y'all before, I got peeled apple slices because when I'm in the hospital, I lose my appetite. Like, I don't want to eat. But last time I was there, which is about a month ago, I took some of, because I love these, so I took some apple slices with me, and this is all I wanted. And I ran out when I was there, so I pretty much didn't eat for the rest of the time I was there. So I'm going to make sure I take some of these with me. Then I love buying you'll see I love buying like the baseball tees from Walmart, and this is on sale for $3. It said leggings are, and then it has knot and it's scratched out and it says pants. So basically leggings are pants. Cause I mean, I have on leggings now. I love leggings. And then I got some fabric to use as a backdrop for my videos. I got some starch. Don't lie, I don't starch my clothes, but I'm gonna use this to iron my backdrops to see if it'll get them nice and crisp so they don't get wrinkled, because I don't like the wrinkly look behind me. And then I bought a selfie stick to help me while I'm doing my vlogging. I have one, but I have the part that holds your phone that's actually on my tripod right now, and I don't want to be bouncing back and forth getting the little attachment, and then I don't remember where I put the stick for this attachment, so I just bought a whole new one. It's only $5, so. And then I got my son these shirts. Aren't they cute? This one says Future Mr. Right, so I think he's gonna wear that on Valentine's. I don't know which one they're both Valentine's Day shirts, but he can kind of wear this one whenever. It doesn't really, specify that it's a Valentine's Day shirt, and I thought it was adorable. And this one says Grandma's Valentine, so I thought that was really cute too. So he might wear this one on Valentine's Day, who knows? But that's all I got from Walmart. Cause yeah, so today, for dinner today, we're gonna eat corn, rice, and I went to HEB and got chicken. Yes, I only went to HEB to get chicken because that's where I like buying these chicken breast tenders from. At Walmart, they're just more expensive. And with this one, I don't like buying actual chicken breasts because they're too big. These are already cut down for me, and we eat them like the tenders. And this was only $3. Like, they're only, well, okay, maybe $3.50. But that's, and it says that they're boneless chicken breast tenders, 100% natural, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a meal. So this is basically 1, and then this will be leftovers because my boyfriend, he eats 4 of them, and then sometimes I eat 1 or I eat 2, and then I'll give my son maybe half of one, cut it up, and he'll eat it. So, and I got these. I probably shouldn't have, but they look good. They're cream cheese jalapeno bites. I don't know if you ever got those jalapeno bites from Sonic. Those are good, and these are probably better. And honestly, I'm starting to think that I have an allergy to like dairy, so I really probably shouldn't have got those, but I'll stop eating dairy soon. Who knows? All right, guys. So now I am on my way to the gym. I had to go home, clearly change. I just put on a really big long sleeve shirt because I like to work out in long sleeve shirts. I feel like I get to sweat more, if you know what I mean. Well, I'm gonna go to the gym, and then I'm gonna go pick my son up from, well, no, I'm gonna come back home, do some cleaning, then I'm gonna go pick my son up from school. So yeah. Oh yeah, I have to go home and take my put my contacts in, because I don't like working out in my glasses. They just, when I sweat, they slide off my face. And honestly, now that I have barely any hair on my head, I sweat way more because I don't have my hair to catch it. So yeah, let's go.
All in my city, all to my home. We're flying up, no ceiling when we in our zone. I got that sunshine in my pocket, got that good soul in my feet. I feel that hot blood in my body when it drops. Ooh, like I'm gonna lose you. I'm gonna hold you like I'm saying goodbye.
So I just finished working out. As you see, I just did something minor, something real quick. I did I guess some hit on the treadmill, and then I did some ab work. So I didn't target any body part like legs or arms or anything today, only because I'm on a time frame, because I still have to pack for the hospital tomorrow, clean the house up a little bit, do a little bit of cooking, and pick my son up. It's 12:14 now, and I like to get him around about 4:30-ish, and I still have a store to go to. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the vlog right here so I can get my life together. And I hope you guys enjoyed my very first vlog, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.